The big day has arrived. You've spent countless hours dreaming up your new home renovation with an architect. You're finally satisfied that these drawings are the right design. With construction designs in hand, you start to approach builders. First mistake. Once the rubber hits the road, or in this case, the sledgehammer hits the concrete, you soon find out that your architect had their head in the clouds. Sure, they came up with some killer upgrades for your abode. Sure, they listened to your every whim and desire and in fact drew everything you asked them to do. Sure, you thought they would help you make choices you could actually afford, but they didn't. That's the reason why over 45% designs don't get built in Brisbane. Welcome to Constructive Homes. My name is Wayne White and I'm the Company Director and Builder. Don't get caught with a home design nobody can actually build within your budget. There's a simple way to prevent this kind of disappointment and stress. Choose a design and construct specialist renovation builder that can also design your home or upgrade. It's simply a matter of process. Having a builder who can sit down with you at the outset of your planning stage is the only way to get practical, experienced building advice. The home designers at Constructive Homes will listen to your needs and find simple, actionable, functional, aesthetic solutions that a builder can actually build within your budget. Whatever features you want in your home, whatever priorities you have, you need one team of builder designers, not two separate companies. Let me explain further. I thought I'd share with you today a recent experience we had where a customer came to us with their own architectural designs. We went out to their property in Paddington in the inner northern suburbs of Brisbane. It was a typical timber and tin type construction, concrete stumps, weatherboard and colorbond roof. We sat down around the kitchen table and they revealed the designs. This was the design that the architect drew up for their extension. Now this was a 70 square metre extension added on to their home. Anyway, the client turned around to me and said, "Wayne, do you think I can build it for the budget that I've given you?" And I said, "I'm sorry, but I can't see that you're going to build it for the budget that you've set for me. Why don't you come with us and we'll design and construct something that can be built for your budget?" So we sat down and we worked out what the client needed. And we came up with this, what I call Design A. This was only 60 square metres added on, so not a great deal of variance between the two designs. But anyway, it was enough to change their lifestyle. When it was all finished, obviously they felt like they were coming into a new home. So we need to sit down and we need to work out the reason why the architect's design didn't stack up. First of all, it's around the major demolition in the roof. This is one of the major factors in why one design got built and the other one didn't get built. Also, there was a lot of major marrying in of the old roof over the top of the new roof, because what happens is the trusses have to overlay on top of the existing roof structure. So that gives you a bit of an insight into why there was so much demolition work and so much reconfiguration of the new roof framing. Whereas if you have a look at this design over here, there's not a great deal of demolition costs. There's a lot of structural engineering that's got to be done in that design to support the existing roof. I looked at it and I said, well, I can understand why it's costing you so much. Whereas you come over to this design and there's not a great deal of extra structural support that's needed to support this design over here. And the other thing that the engineer called for, he wanted extra foundation support for the additional weight that was going onto this roof load. All this has to stack up to costing more to build. Design A, 60 square metres, architect's design 70 square metres, 10 square metres, that's a small bedroom. So we're not talking major floor area here. However, here's the kicker. Design B cost over 35% more than the design Constructive Homes built. All I can say is it really comes down to the design and sitting down with Constructive Homes and our team, and we can design something to suit your budget. For the best approach to designing your new home or renovation, choose a builder that can handle design as well. Choose Constructive Homes. Download our free guide with all the critical questions to ask before selecting your renovation builder. This could be the most important decision you can make in your building project. Remember, you don't want to waste thousands of dollars on unused building designs, do you?